Thank you so much for having us in Dalian. We have had such an incredible time. As hosts, you have left no stone unturned. We've been to beautiful restaurants, to incredible factories. The quality has been so, our expectations have been exceeded tenfold. Everybody in the company as well, they're like family. You can see that the same values are so true throughout every single one of them. We'll definitely be back and we'll be telling everybody about what a great company this is. Thank you so very much for hosting us. We'll be back again for sure. Thank you very much, West Shore, for hosting us in Dalian. We had an incredible time. We want to say thank you very much to Anna, to Happy, to Leo, to, of course, to John and Roger for being the most incredible hosts. Thank you for showing us these exceptional factories and showrooms, and we are sure to tell everybody all about you and bring many more guests from Australia to Dalian to experience the same as what we had and do much more business together again. Thank you.